What's really inside a smart girl's school bag? Hey, beautiful souls. Tell me honestly, have you ever opened your school bag and thought, wait, why do I always forget the important stuff? Today, we are refixing that. I am giving you the ultimate guide to school backpack essentials. Everything a smart, stylish, and prepared girl should have in her bag. We're not just throwing things in randomly. I'll tell you exactly what you need and how I will make your day better. This is your back to school BFF guide, so grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. 1. Start with a comfortable and spacious backpack. Your backpack is your daily partner, so choose wisely. Go for one that's roomy with multiple compartments, but still cute and not too heavy. Here's the reason: because if your bag is too tight, you'll start throwing everything in one pocket, and good luck finding your pen when you need it. Padded straps are also super important. We don't need shoulder pain while slaying school life. 2. Water bottle, your best friend in every season. Keeping a reusable water bottle in your bag is non-negotiable. Whether it's summer and you're melting or winter and you forget to hydrate, this small habit keeps your skin glowing, your energy up, and your mind clear. Trust me, hydration is low-key a glow-up tip too, and girl hunger and thirst are not cute. 3. Your secret emergency kit, a must-have. Girls, this is the part no one tells you about, but it's life-changing. Pack a mini pouch or zip bag with these absolute essentials: sanitary pads or panty liners, because surprises aren't cute. Tissues, for spills, sneezes, or touch-ups. Small hand sanitizer, lip balm, especially if your lips dry out after eating or drinking. Safety pins and bobby pins. A tiny roll-on perfume or deodorant. Band-aids, trust me, one day you will thank yourself for this. This little pouch is your mini lifesaver. Keep it organized and restock when needed. 4. Hair care essentials. Stay neat, stay confident. Whether you're having a good hair day or a messy one, having a few hair care items in your bag is a must. Carry a small foldable brush or wide-tooth comb to quickly fix flyaways or refresh your style after PE class. You can also include a gentle hair tie, scrunchie, or some bobby pins for emergencies, because you never know when you will need your ponytail or fix your look. And if you wear a hijab, make sure to add a few extra hijab pins, a spare undercap, and maybe even a mini hair mist to keep your roots feeling fresh and soft underneath. It's all about feeling confident and clean, under and over the hijab. 5. Face mask and wet wipes. Hygiene queen alert. Even though masks are not always mandatory now, it's still smart to keep an extra face mask in a clean pouch. And wet wipes or face wipes. Game changer. Use them after classy or when your face just feels oily and tired. A quick wipe can refresh your whole vibe. 6. Notebook plus stationery essentials. Sounds basic, right? But how many times have you forgotten a pen and had to borrow one? Keep a neat stationery pouch with 2 to 3 pens, colored pens, a highlighter or two, a mini ruler, sticky notes, perfect for last-minute reminders, pencil eraser and sharpener. Organizing this keeps your bag tidy and your study game strong. 7. Healthy snack. Because we all get hunger. Keep a light, healthy snack in your bag. A packet of biscuits, chocolate, or any snacks can save you when lunch is delayed or you're stuck in extra class. Your energy matters, and being hungry affects your mood and focus. Also, who doesn't love a mini chocolate break during boring lectures? 8. A compact mirror. Don't rely on your front camera. Phones lie, bestie. A tiny mirror lets you check your hair or hijab, wipe mascara smudges, or fix your lip balm. It's quick, subtly, and super helpful. Plus, it's such a main character energy moment to do a mini check-in before walking into class. 9. Small perfume or deodorant. Smell like fresh confidence. Keep a pocket-sized perfume or a gentle deodorant spray in your bag. Especially after long classes or exhaustion, a little refresh can make you feel way more put together. Choose soft scents that are school-appropriate, not too strong. 10. Phone charger or power bank. We all say we won't use our phone in school, and then it's 1% at break time. Keep a mini power bank or portable charger, or at least your charging cable in your bag. It's a simple habit, but super useful, especially if you call your parents or use your phone for assignments and class schedules. And that's everything, girls. Remember, your school bag isn't just for books. It's your mini world. It should be organized, clean, and full of tiny things that make your day smoother, fresher, and more you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more girly tips, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future glow-up guides. Now tell me in the comments, what's the one thing you always carry that's not on this list? Let's help each other out.